All right, guys, here is the Kawasaki JS550. The ski is actually going to be going out for a complete professional refinishing. So we're just going to finish removing the hardware that is remaining. We've got the jet pump, we've got the coupler, and the handle pull. We're going to get these off. In case you missed the first episode, here's a quick lowdown. This is my neighbor Kenny's 1985 Kawasaki JS550, and it's been in storage for a couple decades. As you can see, the ski is in very poor condition, and 90% of the parts are in a series of boxes. But no worry, we're going to bring this 1985 Kawasaki back to life. Step by step and piece by piece, we're going to take our time and do it right. And I won't stop until this ski is in the water. So we're going to hit it with the pressure washer real quick on a low pressure setting just to give it a quick clean before we finish stripping it. All right, let's grab the shop vac. I'm going to give you a look. This is all kind of nasty in here, and I've hosed this out before, but it's got all kinds of crap. Pretty much everything you see in there is going to get replaced anyway. But I'm going to grab the shop vac and we're going to get this spotless. All right, so now we've got that bilge nice and clean. So let's finish stripping it. That's going to entail taking all these engine mounts, taking everything off. Off of the ski. But I've got 3 handle pulls, and I think the one I pulled off is in the best condition, so we're probably going to go with that one. All right, so now I'm just going to continue everything that's attached. There. Everything that's attached here is coming out. All right, so I've got all the engine mounts off, and now I'm just getting these base plates off. You can see I had a couple bolts snap on when I was removing those mounts. These base plates here, you could see we're going to try to extract these broken ones. If not, we'll source these on eBay. So first we're going to remove this shroud here. Believe it or not, after all this time, it's not even seized. It's impressive. There's our bilge pickup. Okay, that plate. Try to get in there as gently as possible. And there's our shaft assembly. Whew. Wow, it's not even seized up. It's heavy, I tell you. Well, we'll see if we could reuse that. We're just gonna try to, there we go. Okay, well, got that part off. We've got this exhaust pipe assembly right here. Not gonna pull this off, we have to drill out the rivets. I'm just gonna, they could tape that when they paint it. I'm just gonna pull this pipe off. All right, so here is the hull flipped upside down. And there's our ride plate, intake grate. I've already got one, hopefully it's missing, not snapped. So the next thing we're gonna do is pull these two off, and then hopefully that'll be uneventful, and then we can get the jet pump off. All right, so every single one of these 10mm bolts feels like they're gonna snap off. Not surprised. So because they feel like they're all gonna snap, got ants, we're gonna hit them with some MAP. Ah, fuck. Could probably drill that one out. Okay. Well, it's off. There's a ride plate. All right, so now we're gonna remove the jet pump. In this particular ski, the shoe is part of the pump. We've removed this quick connect from the steering nozzle. It was seized in place, so I had to get it off, but I'm just gonna use this Allen. I've got these all freed up already, but here's the bolts that hold the pump in place. All right, there is our pump. Give you guys a good look at it there. Teeny little thing. Huh, wasn't too bad actually. Looks like you can see this rust here. Looks like there's a crack in the steering tube just right by it, and that's that rust is from that. Take everything apart here. When I say everything, I mean everything has to come apart. All right, so we've got the bellows off of this piece. Here's a check valve. Of course, it's busted. Okay. And this piece just comes out. So everything is completely stripped as much as we can get it. And this is now going to go to the shop. You can see there's cracks, there's some body work that needs to be done. And the entire thing is going to be stripped and professionally sprayed. So once I get it back, it'll be ready for reassembly. And, you know, hopefully I'll have another probably 3 or 4 episodes on this rebuild. And then, you know, we're going to take it out on the water. So that'll be the final episode. Will be this out on the water, which hopefully that comes to fruition this year, 2025. Thanks for watching, only on JD's Water World. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.